Hi, we're going to be talking about the 8th grade IXL Interpret Graphs of Proportional Relationships. So we can read all this. It has fantastic information. Every Sunday, Edna and her cousins get together for brunch. This week, Edna is in charge of making fresh squeezed orange juice. The graph shows a proportional relationship between the number of oranges Edna squeezes X and the amount of juice in ounces she makes Y. So what this wants us to do is it wants us to figure out what does this point on the graph mean? And we have multiple choice, so we have two choices down here. So what does a point 5, 10 represent? Well, if I look at the 5, it is on the x-axis, so it's telling me there's 5 oranges and 10 ounces. So let's come down here. I need 5 oranges, 10 ounces. This is 10 oranges, 5 ounces. This is what I need because on the x-axis, we're at 5, so right here. Hit submit. Let's try another one. This one, Neil measures the length of some objects in both yards and feet. So here we have yards on the x-axis and yards is at 3. So 3 yards is how many feet? 9 feet. So what does a point 39 represent? 3 yards, 9 feet. 3 yards, 9 feet. So that's what we see here. 9 feet, 3 yards. There we go. All right, let's try one more. We're doing the exact same thing. We have the point 74. What does it represent? 7 is on the x-axis, so 7 is the ounces of dark chocolate. 14 is the ounces of almonds. So we have 7 ounces of chocolate, 14 ounces of almonds. So right here, we have 14 ounces of dark chocolate. Nope. We have 7, so let's look at this one. The package contains 7 ounces of dark chocolate 7, and 14 ounces of almonds. 14 is on my almonds right here. There we go. All right, that's all you need to do on this IXL. Interpret this point and tell us what it means. Thanks and good luck.